Raise your both hands up and come to chair pose. Utkatasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop your both palms down.
Okay, namaste everyone. How are you? I hope you guys are very well and practice yoga every day. So, after a long time, right now I am in India. I'm teaching also in India, my city, Kolkata. Okay. So here you can see a lot of people practice with me. So if you are like a little bit healthy, so how you can practice? थोड़ा सा अगर ज़्यादा heavy weight हो आप, तो आप भी practice कर सकते हो. आपके मेरे पास आपने बहुत कमेंट किया कि सर आप वियतनाम में प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो, स्लिम सिम लोग, वो लोग तो फ्लेक्सिबल है ही. तो अगर हम लोग जैसे इंडियन लोग यहाँ पर जैसे होता है, तो उस लोगों को हम कैसे प्रैक्टिस करा सकते हैं. ठीक है. तो अभी जो है ज़्यादातर डेमो मेरे साथ मेरा जो इंडियन पीपल हैं, यहाँ का जो मेंबर लोग हैं वही प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. उसको देख के आप मोटिवेट हो और प्रैक्टिस करो. तो आज हम लोग बेसिक सूर्य नमस्कार करेंगे. देखो, इफ़ यू आर लाइक हैवी पर्सन, सो यू कैन ऑल्सो डू इट. ये वीडियो देखो प्रॉपरली और इसको वॉच करो. सूर्य नमस्कार आपको हर रोज़ करना है. धीरे धीरे आपका बॉडी वेट जो है कम होगा, प्रैक्टिस आपका फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी बढ़ेगा, आपको स्ट्रेन मिलेगा. ठीक है. आपका जो शेप है, शेप में ड्राइंग आएगा. बट मेक श्योर यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस एवरी डे एटलीस्ट 5 to 10 राउंड, कि जो भी हो जाए. तो वीडियो को प्रॉपर वॉच करना. अगर इफ़ यू आर न्यू इन द चैनल, प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. Let's go together. We are going to practice the basic Surya Namaskar, sun salutation.
Let's go for the Surya Namaskar. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, forward bending. Inhale, right leg back. Exhale, left leg back. Drop your knee, chest and chin. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg front. Exhale, left leg front. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, Samasthiti. Raise your hands up. Exhale, down. Inhale, left leg back. Exhale, right leg back. Drop your knee, chest and chin. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, left leg front. Exhale, right leg front. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, Samasthiti. Okay, raise your both hands up and come to chair pose. Utkatasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop your both palms down. From here, right leg back. Drop your knee, raise your both hands up, come to Anjaneyasana, palms together. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hands side of the body and slowly bend forward. Yes, very good. Excellent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop your right palm down and left hand straight up. Open your shoulder, open your chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop your both palms down and left leg back to plank pose. Body straight, one line. Good job. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop your knee, chest and chin. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. And just one by one, heel up, down. Continue. Tapping your heel. Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From here, right leg front in between your palm. The same thing. Drop your knee. Raise your both hands up. Come to Anjaneyasana. Go back maximum. Little bit arch back. 1, okay. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hands side of the body and slowly bend forward. Excellent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop your left palm down. Inhale. Raise your right hand straight up. Open your shoulder, open your chest. Look up, chin up. Excellent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop your both palms down and left leg front to forward bending. Left leg front to forward bending, everybody. Inhale. Raise your hands up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Very good.